I'll be showing you how I removed a dent with paintless dent removal from the fender of this Tahoe. A customer recently brought in his Chevy Tahoe to have this dent in the fender repaired. He said that his truck was parked in the garage and that his weed trimmer fell off the wall, hit the fender, and left this dent that's about 2 to almost 3 inches in size with a sharp crease down the center. You can see that it also left a scuff on the paint that was caused by the plastic of the trimmer when it hit and scraped the side of the truck. Before I started working on pushing the dent out, I had to clean and buff off the scuff on the paint first so that I can see all the detail when I'm working on the dent, reshaping the metal from the inside and outside of the panel. While I have sped up this video to save time, I did spend about 30 minutes on this repair. Have you had something fall against your car or have a similar dent? Then you can expect the cost of paintless dent removal to be around $100 to $150 for this type of damage. Now that I am done removing the dent, I will buff the area again, removing any imperfections in the paint and polishing to restore the shine and protection. You can see we have completed an excellent repair and have another happy customer with a dent-free car. Be sure to like this video below, then subscribe to my channel for more PDR and car care videos.